Hey guys, it's Charlie with Competitive Edge. I'm going to show you this playhouse we got. We put it together. It was pretty easy to put together. If you've seen any of my videos, I've done some like tents and camping stuff and stoves and sleeping bags and backpacks, stuff like that. This is the first time I've kind of done something like this, but my wife loves this playhouse, so we ended up buying this. We've been through a couple playhouses, wooden ones, in the last 5 years or so, and the last one blew away in a storm, so we ended up investing in this one. We've got a bunch of little girls and they have so far loved this. So let me show you some of the features. First of all, it's about 7 feet tall. So I'm 5'10" and I can actually stand up inside, and I'll show you that in just a second. But let me just show you feature by feature. First of all, it's made of polyethylene, which is an outdoor plastic that is a soft type of plastic. So when it gets really hot outside, it becomes more pliable. It's not like vinyl where it will can crack. And when it gets really freezing cold, it's still soft enough that it's not going to crack or chip or peel or anything like that. The door is about 50 inches high, and it has a door, and my wife pointed this out to me. Check this out. There's really no pinch areas. So if they're playing and someone slams the door, you don't have to worry about anybody crying because their fingers got pinched. It's got this mat right here that's attached to it, and it's got the rock pattern built into it. Comes with a doorbell. Doorbell is just battery operated. It's got these decorative shutters on the windows. My wife she added these flowers. It comes with a flower box right here, but she did add these flowers here and on the side over here. All the windows are open. So you've got this window here. You've got this window here. So it's designed it allows rain inside and snow or whatever, but it's designed to allow that. So this is completely wide open, and it comes with these, what do you call them, these little awnings, and I think they're canvas. I'm not totally sure what they are. They might not be canvas, but it looks like they're canvas. And they just go right in, they hook right into the actual joint right here. It's got a window up here. It's got a good pitch on the roof so that snow, if it accumulates, it won't be like a ton of snow. Eventually, it would slide off. So we got another window here, and then on the back side right here, there's no window or anything. This is the only side that's pretty solid, I guess, except for up here in the peak. This also has kind of a serving window. Again, it's got the awning that's built in, the decorative shutters. These and the flower box here. So it comes with a lot of stuff. Let me show you. Oh, let me show you these anchors. It comes with these anchors, and there's rods that attach to these, and then you pound them in the ground. We, just for the demonstration purposes, we've put this on the concrete. So I didn't install these anchors into any dirt or anything, but they attach on the inside corner on some brackets. Okay, let me show you the inside. So first of all, my wife got some of this outdoor carpet is from Lowe's, and she oh, by the way, this is about 6 feet by 6 feet square. I think it's about 70 inches. But she got this outdoor carpet to make it look a little bit nicer, so it's not just on the concrete or on the grass, and it's made a big difference in here. But it's got a kitchen sink, and it's got a little stove here with knobs that turn, and all of these little accessories, these forks and kitchen utensils, all of those are included, including these ones over here. So it comes with a ton of cool stuff that they've really loved. So when you put it together, it comes with like 100 decals. These are all decals, and it does not tell you where to put them. So my wife thought everything through. She cut everything out, put it on there temporarily, decided that's where she wanted everything, and then she put them on there after she had cut them out. So she put them on just to kind of get a rough idea of how much stickers there were and where they would fit. So let me take a moment and just pan around and show you all the decals in case you buy this and you're wondering where to put them. I think she did a great job. So check this out. So this is a shelf with presents, and you can see the little honeybees right there, and there's some honeybees right there. There's so many decals, and she didn't even use them all. But you can see that there's a chimney here in the corner, and then this mantle is a separate sticker, and then the clock and the flowers are all separate stickers. You can see the mouse hole in the corner, the pets. Right there you've got a plant on a shelf, and then a light here. You got the dresser with the books and the goldfish and the boots. There's a stove and a fridge. And then these shelves all have their own little stickers on it as well. So she made it look like these cups right there are hanging, and the ones on the top are just stationary there. Then you can see the fruit and some other stuff on the shelf above the sink. You got the stove, another plant. There's another light right there. And then you've got the birthday like streamer. First I thought those were like pieces of pizza and stuff like that, but you put them together, they're all a bunch of triangles. So you can put it wherever you want to, but that seems like a great place. And then lastly, we got this wall right here where you've got your soccer ball, your trophy, your gumballs, candy, piggy bank, and a key holder. And then another cool thing about this is, not that I play in the Playhouse, but it is nice that when you're putting it together, and if you do come in to kind of clean it up, or I don't know, it's not, I'm 5'10", it's nice that it is tall enough, it's 7 feet tall, so I can actually stand up in here if I want to, or if you have taller children that want to play, they can play. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, there's like a mail slot here on the door for mail. I think with all the windows, there's so many windows in here, I think that probably will make it more forgiving if you get a big windstorm. It's not like it's just pushing on a wall like this wall. And that one even has a window too. But all these windows just, I don't know, they just make it really open. So I assume that'll also make it really nice for playing in the summer. And then the other thing, my wife has plans to put a tiny little IKEA table here with some chairs around it, which will be nice. In the summer, the roof and everything will kind of protect them somewhat from the heat. The windows allow for some airflow, and they can have snacks and eat lunch and just enjoy, use their imagination, play, you know, do something other than watch TV, play video games, that type of stuff. So check out the link below. I'll give you some more details on where we bought it and how much we paid. And it is something we're trying to carry a competitive edge. It might be a couple months before we have something, but if you keep checking the link below, as soon as we have it for sale, we'll put that there too. So anyways, I hope this video was helpful. If it is, please go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit subscribe. And thanks for watching.